I was in desperate need of a kitchen remodel. As a busy mother, a working mother, I have kids at home. We're on the go all the time. I was very concerned that a full-on kitchen remodel was going to be very expensive for one, but also time-consuming and very invasive.
When Jen came to us, we knew immediately that refacing was the right choice for her. Her biggest complaint was that her kitchen was outdated. She didn't like the way it looked, it didn't have a modern feeling to it. That's really what she wanted to achieve, and she really didn't need to take her cabinets out and start from scratch because the layout was fine.
The sales process with Kitchen Solvers was super easy. They showed us some samples, they took some measurements, they gave us an affordable quote, and we were on our way.
Jen came to us with some great ideas. We sat down and discussed things, showed her all her options, and she picked out the door style that was perfect for her home.
The installation process worked really great with our busy schedule. They came in every morning on time, they cleaned up every evening, and we were still able to cook family dinners every night.
With cabinet refacing, we come into the home, we take the doors and drawer fronts off and cover the framework of the cabinets with a veneer that matches the new doors. We hang new doors, drawer fronts, new hinges, new hardware and moldings, and there's a lot of options along with it too. We can put new drawer boxes in, add more cabinets if you have room for more. We can update countertops and put on a beautiful decorative backsplash as well. It's a quick, easy process to update your kitchen without ripping all your cabinets out.
We absolutely love our new kitchen. We never thought that refacing would be such a transformation, but our kitchen is absolutely beautiful.